Let me show you how to take your hair from something like this to this using all products from one brand. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and here on this channel we talk all things wavy curly hair science, and since last year, can you believe it? We're in a brand new year. I can't, I blinked. Somehow we're in 2024, but we've been doing a series called One Brand Wash Days here on this channel, wherein we use 3 products from one brand to wash and style this head of hair. What this series does is it gives you more information as the consumer about which products may or may not work well for you by keeping a really good basis of comparison, eliminating variables, and I allow you to tap into my years of knowledge of playing around with curly hair products so that you know whether or not you want to try a product. And today we are using a brand that I really love. This is Miche Beauty, and this is one of those brands that if I were going to create hair care products, these are the kind of formulations I would go for. I love how these products are formulated, the ingredients that they include, the ingredients that they leave out, and how these products perform. So needless to say, I am quite stoked for this One Brand Wash Day. I haven't featured them in a full-length YouTube video yet here on this channel, but I have talked about their products off and on in favorites videos. Why? Because they are that good. They are some of my absolute favorite products. So I'm really excited to show them to you today. In the One Brand Wash Day format, we use a shampoo, a conditioner, and a styler. It is a very stripped down routine. It is very simple, easy, quick. No 28-step routines in these videos. That way you can really see how each of the products perform. Could you get better results if you added more steps? Quite possibly, but that's not the purpose of this video. It's not to get the most curl-enhanced, defined, voluminous, epic wash day. It's really just to give you information about products. All right, now that that all makes sense, let me show you what the hair is looking like before washing and styling. It doesn't look remotely wavy curly, does it? It just kind of has the odd bend and kink in it. For many years, I had zero clue my hair was actually wavy curly until I gave it a shot back in 2018, and boy was I surprised at how much my hair curled up. All right, let's go wash and style. And we're starting off this wash day with a bang, getting my hair nice and soaking wet. Bet you didn't expect that. Just kidding, I bet you did. Now that my hair is nice and soaking wet, I'm grabbing the Miche Detox Gentle Clarifying Shampoo for dry, itchy scalps. This has been one of my favorite low poo shampoos for a long time. And what I mean by low poo is a shampoo that is sulfate, silicone, and drying alcohol free. While it does claim to be clarifying, I find it to be just the right balance. It never leaves my hair feeling super squeaky clean, but it leaves my hair incredibly clean, lightweight, bouncy, without being stripped. It's a super runny formula, and I like to just take the applicator that they've got and kind of target apply the shampoo to my greasiest areas and start massaging it in with the pads of my fingers. I really take my time while I'm cleansing my hair to make sure that I gently massage every square inch of my scalp. This shampoo contains a really interesting extract infusion of ginger, rosemary, lemongrass, willow bark, hibiscus flower, and ginseng root. Its surfactant is my all-time favorite, sodium C14, C16 alpha olefin sulfonate, along with cocamidobromobutyne and decylglucoside. All 3 of these surfactants combined give a really gentle yet effective clean. This product also contains apple cider vinegar and a tiny bit of peppermint oil. It has a really delicious minty yet sweet fragrance. Now that I've pulled that lather through the links of my hair, I'm just going to take my time rinsing the product out thoroughly. I like to scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingers while I'm rinsing as well. This is a hack. If you are super oily, greasy, do this while you rinse your shampoo out. Like you're shampooing your hair all over again, just while you rinse. Now that I've rinsed my hair completely, I'm grabbing the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioning Treatment for dry, dull hair. Miche does have a protein version of this deep conditioner, but my hair is feeling like it needs this one today. It is a thicker consistency, and I really love this product for the drier winter months. I'm just going to comb this through with my fingers, making sure to really take my time while I finger detangle before I grab my Bounce Curl defining brush to finish distributing this product through my hair. This contains marshmallow root and slippery elm extract. Anytime I see those ingredients in a product, I know my hair is gonna love it. It gives it a really slimy feeling in the best way possible. This also contains aloe vera juice, behydramonium methyl sulfate, cetyl alcohol, babassu oil, shea butter, raw honey, all amazing, nourishing ingredients. I told y'all, if I was gonna formulate products, these are the kinds of products that I would formulate. I love these ingredients labels, and I am obsessed with the Miche fragrances. When you're using a product, you really want to enjoy the process of using it, and the fragrances on these products really do that for me. All right, I also did a good thorough squish to condish, as you saw, and now it's time to go ahead and rinse this product out completely. And really quickly, because we've seen this once or twice, I'm going to form my curl clumps with this Bounce Curl defining brush. If you want a full demonstration of exactly what I'm doing here and how I personally get my best results by organizing my curl clumps, I have a full dedicated YouTube video to that, but you can kind of see that I'm brushing the hair away from my face, off the sides and back of my neck, and I even do a section right at my crown area before I start scrunching my curls. I'm doing this, one, to slightly remove some of the excess water from my hair and to make sure that my curl clump size is the right size before I lock everything in place with the Miche Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. This is for frizz-free definition. The Set to Gel Foam Styling Mousse, frizz-free definition. Also, you can see a number 3 on the bottle. That's because it's step 3 in your routine. Thank you, Miche, for labeling these. I find that actually super helpful. This is one of those super nourishing, hydrating stylers that I feel like if you are a person who reaches for a leave-in conditioner or curl cream every single time, you might consider skipping that step with this product because of how hydrating it is. It also contains the ginger, rosemary, and lemongrass infusion extract, some aloe vera juice, polyquaternium 55, which is a great humidity blocking ingredient, and hydrolyzed silk protein. This is an incredibly small protein that is tolerated by a wide range of hair types. So even if you are protein sensitive, you may find that that ingredient does not adversely affect your hair. But for me personally, my fine hair loves all the protein. So you can see that I'm just glazing this over and scrunching it in, really taking my time, making sure that I'm getting product everywhere, turning my head from side to side to side to side as I scrunch this in. This keeps my curl clumps from getting stuck to the back of my head and being weird, even though I am styling my hair upside down. This is what my curl clumps are looking like now that the products are completely applied. You can see that there is minimal wet frizz, really nice definition. Now I'm just going to go plop my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And here we are, now that my hair is 100% dry. As always, I only diffuse my hair to 90% dry and let it finish air drying the rest of the way. Why? Because for one thing, I only have patience to diffuse my hair to 90% dry. It takes roughly 15 minutes, and there's something about that last 10% of diffusing that takes 30 to 45 minutes. I don't understand this exponential curve that happens while diffusing. But anyway, my hair is now dry and I'm ready to scrunch out the crunch. Usually when you use a styler, something that says gel in it, it will give you a cast. This is the crunchy barrier that forms around each of your curls due to the gel. Do not be afraid of crunchy curls because once it's dry, you can scrunch it out. After I say all of that, this product didn't give me any crunch, any major cast. Usually a cast means better hold for me, but not with this product. This product gives me good hold without the crunch. It's really interesting. Okay, wow, what a tangent. I also take a good amount of time to kind of like fluff my roots because they look a little weird usually until I do this. This is a giant chunked up curl that I'm gonna separate because it's kind of too big. There we go. Wow, this is pretty. And here are the final scrunched out results. As always with these one brand wash day videos, we will be doing a check-in at the end of the day so you can see how the hair held up through my wild and crazy mom life. Some would say that's wild and crazy. Some would say that that's not that crazy. It feels crazy to me. And I will be back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are at the end of the day. I have worked out in this hair. I did not pull it back, however. I just put this tiny little jaw clip right here to kind of hold the front piece in place. I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm actually on a mission to not pull my hair back in a pineapple or a mom bun. We'll see how far into 2024 I can get before I do that. This is how the hair held up throughout my day and even a workout. I'm really happy with it. The frizz is really quite minimal. It did droop some, but I still have good definition. Pretty decent curl enhancement. Overall, I'm really thrilled. I'm not sure how I'm gonna protect my hair overnight. If I figure out something interesting, I will let you know, but I will be back in the morning to show you how it held up overnight. Good morning. Here we are on the morning of day 2. You guessed it. And I am very proud of myself. I have not pulled this hair back into a pineapple whatsoever. And that turned out to be more of a challenge for me than I thought was going to be possible. Lots of little hairs have been tickling my face, making me want to cry. I don't know what it is about my hair, but it just wants to like float and cling and tickle my face. And that's one of those things that just really gets under my skin. Leave me one of these in the comments down below if you are also like that, or if it just doesn't bother you that much if your hair touches your face. It really bothers me. That being said, I think I have found the best bonnet ever. I have tried a bunch of bonnets and every single one I have ever tried has just fallen off my head in the middle of the night or been giving me a headache. I've tried a bunch. This is why this is not my normal method of sleep protection and why I normally pineapple, because bonnets and I just don't get along. That being said, I tried the bounce curl bonnet yesterday and it worked and it was comfortable and it didn't fall off. What is so neat about this one in particular is that it is adjustable. You can tighten it, loosen it to whatever your needs may be. It's also reversible, which is kind of fun. I really like the pattern that's on it. I feel like it's kind of pretty, and I'm not gonna put it on completely, but you can see that there's like this ruffle here, which I thought was going to be annoying, but instead it actually somehow makes this way more comfortable to sleep on. So if you've been in the hunt for a bonnet and no other bonnets have worked for you whatsoever, maybe this is the one you need to check out. I was highly impressed. Enough of that, let me show you how the hair held up overnight. Really, for a single styler, this isn't too bad. That gel to foam styling mousse from Miche is a medium to light hold kind of product. So I have really pretty and quite decent definition still in my hair. I have really pretty shine, but there is some kind of, let's see if we can get up real close and you can tell, some flyaway frizzies. And I think that's due to the lighter hold. But that being said, I am really happy with these products. My hair still smells really good. And if you haven't checked them out yet, this is a brand that I would put Courtney stamp of approval on and say it is worth checking out. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.